Welcome to the spoken tutorial on testing and debugging. In this tutorial, you will understand what is software testing, test simple functions for their functionality, automate tests, understand the need for coding style, and learn some of the standards followed by the Python community. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3, IPython 5.1.0 and gedit text editor. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to use functions. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. First, we will learn about software testing. Software testing is the process to evaluate the functionality of a software or a program. It helps to find whether the program met the specified requirements or not. It ensures a defect-free program so that we will get a quality program. All the codes used in this tutorial are available in the code files link of this tutorial. You should download in the current working directory and use them. Open any text editor and type the following code. This is a simple function to calculate GCD of two numbers. We need a set of inputs for the variable a and b. Save the file as find_gcd.py in the current working directory. Next, we will open the file test_gcd.py. Let our test case be 48 and 64 as a and b. For this test case, we know that the GCD is 16. So, that is the expected output. Let us now run the script and test our code. Open the terminal and type python 3 test_gcd.py. We get the output as test passed, which means our code is correct. But there can be a number of cases where the GCD function might break. So, to check where our code is breaking, we should run many tests. This is where the concept of automating tests comes in. Let us first try and automate tests on the GCD function. Open the file testcases.txt where the various testing parameters are given. The structure of the file will have two input parameters. The third parameter is the correct output result. We have separated the elements by a space. Next, let us open the file automate_test_gcd.py. First, we need import GCD function from find_gcd in order to use it for testing. Next, the testcases.txt file is read line by line. The first two input parameters are assigned to the variables x and y. The third parameter, which is the correct output value, is assigned to the variable result. We check whether the value returned by the GCD function is equal to the value in the variable result. Finally, it prints the message accordingly. In the terminal, type python 3 automate_test_gcd.py. As you can see, all the three test cases in testcases.txt are passed. The value calculated by the GCD function is equal to the output value provided in the testcases.txt. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. For the same inputs as GCD, write automated tests for LCM. Use the data from the file lcm_testcases.txt. Switch to the terminal for the solution. Let us see the code to calculate LCD of two numbers. The file name is find_lcm.py. This is the data file for the LCM test cases. This file name is lcm_testcases.txt. Note that both these files should be in the current working directory. Let us now run the script and test our code. Type Python 3 find_lcm.py. Here the third test case failed because the corresponding input in lcm_testcases.txt is incorrect. This is to check the behavior of the program on incorrect conditions. A good program should be readable, so others can extend and improve it. Code is read more often than it is written. We choose a name so that it becomes easier to understand its usage. As we can see in the example, it is very easy to understand what the code is doing. Proper naming helps so much in understanding the code. Also, one should keep in mind the following things while writing a code in Python. 4-space indentation, 79 characters limit on a line. Functions and methods should be separated with 2 blank lines. Use docstrings to document a specific segment of code. Use whitespace around operators and after punctuations. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to create simple tests for a function, automate tests using many predefined test cases, and use Python coding standards. Here is a self-assessment question for you to solve. What is the proper indentation for Python code according to the style guidelines? And the answer: 4-space indentation is required for writing a Python code according to the style guidelines. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. Fuzzy team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.